Some discoveries don't just surprise, they send shivers down your spine. Stumbled upon by chance, these finds, from eerie artifacts to unsettling natural phenomena, reveal the world's darker, stranger corners. Here's a countdown of the top 10 creepiest accidental discoveries, from number 10 to the bone-chilling number 1, each packed with details to pull you into their unsettling mysteries. Buckle up for a journey into the macabre. 10. The Screaming Mummy, 1886. In 1886, archaeologists excavating Egypt's Deir el-Bahri stumbled upon a royal mummy cache. But one figure stood out, a contorted corpse with a gaping mouth, frozen in what looked like a scream of agony. Dubbed the Screaming Mummy, it was found in a plain wooden coffin. Unlike the ornate burials of pharaohs, discovered during a routine dig led by Gaston Maspero, the mummy's twisted face and bound limbs suggested a horrific death, possibly poisoning or live burial. Initially thought to be Prince Pentawere, executed around 1155 BCE for plotting against his father, Ramses III, its identity remains debated. CT scans in 2020 revealed a severed larynx, hinting at strangulation. The accidental unearthing of this anguished figure, now in Cairo's Egyptian Museum, continues to haunt Egyptologists with its silent scream. 9. The Antikythera Mechanism, 1901. In 1901, sponge divers off Greece's Antikythera Island found a Roman shipwreck containing a bronze device with 30 interlocking gears, now called the Antikythera Mechanism. Dated to 100 BCE, this ancient computer calculated astronomical positions with precision unmatched until the Middle Ages. Discovered among mundane cargo like statues and coins, its eerie complexity sparked wild theories. Was it alien tech, a time traveler's relic, or evidence of a lost civilization? X-ray studies in the 2000s and 2020 revealed inscriptions detailing its use, but its maker and purpose remain unclear. The mechanism's anachronistic sophistication, found by chance, feels like a sci-fi artifact dropped into antiquity, unsettling our view of ancient ingenuity. 8. The Grauballe Man, 1952. In 1952, peat cutters in Denmark's Grauballe Bog struck something chilling. A 2,300-year-old body so well preserved it looked like a recent murder victim. The Grauballe Man, dated to 290 BCE, had a slit throat, suggesting ritual sacrifice during the Iron Age. His skin, hair, fingernails, and even stomach contents, cereal and herbs, were intact, preserved by the bog's acidic, oxygen-poor environment. Initially reported to police as a fresh corpse, his lifelike appearance shocked locals. Now displayed at Denmark's Mosgård Museum, his frozen expression and eerie realism, uncovered by accident, offer a haunting glimpse into ancient rituals, making you wonder what other bogs hide. 7. The Ghost Ship Mary Celeste, 1872. On December 4, 1872, the crew of the DEI Gracia spotted a merchant ship drifting aimlessly in the Atlantic, its sails tattered but hull intact. Boarding the Mary Celeste, they found no trace of its 10-person crew, including Captain Benjamin Briggs, his wife, and their daughter. The ship's log, last updated days earlier, offered no clues. A lifeboat was missing, but food, water, and 1,701 barrels of alcohol were untouched. Theories of piracy, mutiny, or even sea monsters abounded, but no evidence surfaced. Discovered by chance 400 miles east of the Azores, this ghost ship's eerie emptiness remains one of maritime history's creepiest unsolved mysteries. 6. The Chernobyl Mutant Frogs, 1986 to 1990s. After the 1986 Chernobyl nuclear disaster, scientists studying the exclusion zone in the 1990s stumbled upon frogs with grotesque mutations. Extra limbs, missing eyes, translucent skin, and malformed jaws. Found in radioactive ponds during routine ecological surveys, these amphibians had adapted to lethal radiation levels. A 2022 study in evolutionary applications confirmed genetic mutations, with some frogs glowing under UV light due to altered proteins. Their eerie deformities, discovered by chance, shocked researchers expecting only dead ecosystems. These mutant creatures, thriving in a post-apocalyptic wasteland, are a chilling reminder of nuclear fallout's lasting, unnatural impact. 5. The Nazca Lines New Figures, 2020. In 2020, drone surveys over Peru's Nazca Desert revealed a 120-foot cat geoglyph among the famous Nazca Lines, etched between 200 BCE and 600 CE. Spotted by chance during roadwork inspections, the feline joined other massive figures, monkeys, birds, and spirals, visible only from the air. Created by scraping away dark surface stones, their purpose remains unknown: religious rituals, astronomical markers, or alien signals. The new find, nearly erased by erosion, added to the eerie mystery of these ancient drawings. Their accidental discovery, hidden for centuries, fuels speculation of otherworldly intentions in a desolate landscape. 4. The Screaming Eagles of Tsavo, 1996. In 1996, construction workers in Kenya's Tsavo National Park unearthed human bones near a railway bridge, linked to the 1898 man-eaters of Tsavo. Two lions, lacking manes and with malformed teeth, had killed and eaten up to 135 workers building the Uganda Railway, halting progress. The lions were shot, their skulls preserved, and the accidental 1996 find included human bones with bite marks, confirming their gruesome feasts. Now at Chicago's Field Museum, the skulls and eerie tale of demon lions, stumbled upon during routine construction, evoke primal fear of nature's wrath. 3. The Atacama Skeleton, 2003. In 2003, a treasure hunter scouring Chile's Atacama Desert found a 6-inch humanoid skeleton wrapped in cloth in a ghost town. Nicknamed Ata, its elongated skull, 10 ribs, humans have 12, and alien-like features sparked UFO theories. Discovered in La Noria, an abandoned mining village, it baffled scientists until 2018. DNA tests revealed a human fetus with rare mutations causing skeletal deformities. Despite the science, Ata's eerie appearance and desolate origins keep alien conspiracies alive. This tiny accidental find remains one of the creepiest modern discoveries, blending science fiction with grim reality. 2. The Frozen Inca Mummies, 1995. In 1995, archaeologist Johann Reinhard was hiking Peru's Mount Ambato when a melting glacier dislodged a bundle. A 500-year-old Inca girl, Juanita, sacrificed around 1450 CE. Perfectly preserved by ice, her braided hair, clothing, and organs were intact, her face frozen in a serene expression. 2 more mummies, also child sacrifices, were found nearby. The Incas believed such offerings appeased gods, but the children's calm, lifelike appearances, revealed by chance, chilled researchers. Now in Arequipa's museum, Juanita's accidental discovery exposes the haunting reality of ritual sacrifice in a frozen, high-altitude tomb. 1. The Derinkuyu Underground City, 1963. In 1963, a Turkish homeowner in Cappadocia, renovating his basement, knocked through a wall and found a hidden passage leading to Derinkuyu, an 18-story underground city carved into volcanic rock. Capable of housing 20,000 people, it featured tunnels, churches, schools, and ventilation shafts dated to 800 BCE by Phrygians and expanded by Christians hiding from Roman persecution. Its booby-trapped stone doors, deep wells, and eerie labyrinth, discovered by accident, suggest a desperate need for secrecy. The idea of a vast, hidden city beneath a quiet village feels like a horror movie set, making Derinkuyu the creepiest accidental find. Why these discoveries haunt us? These 10 accidental discoveries, from screaming mummies to ghost ships, reveal the world's unsettling underbelly. Stumbled upon by divers, workers, and hikers, they blend the eerie with the inexplicable, challenging our understanding of history, nature, and human behavior. Each find, whether a mutant frog or an ancient city, carries a chilling story, reminding us that the world hides secrets far creepier than fiction, waiting for a chance encounter to be revealed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.